off just as we started off as an electric landscaping company.
Okay.
I got fed up with all the noise from gas leaf blowers and lawnmowers in my neighborhood, so we just started buying electric zero turns and electric leaf blowers. But as we grew, it was hard to hire fast enough.
Right.
We knew that there were robotic lawnmowers, and Husqvarna had been making them for the longest, so we decided to place an order for like 30 robotic lawnmowers. And we've been using their lawnmowers for almost 2 years now. And this year, because we've been using them for so long and we've been servicing them, we know all about how they work. We were eligible to become a dealer. So it allowed us to become a dealer. So now we can sell them and service them for warranty repairs.
Okay, so you're basically you're selling their lawnmowers, or you actually have a lawn service?
So it's a little bit of both. We do our service, and that's where the majority of our income comes from.
Okay.
Because although we're an authorized dealer, a lot of people don't want to buy the robots because it's thousands or hundreds of dollars up front versus a landscaper you're paying $25, $35 a week.
Right.
So that's a big difference. And then also, if they haven't seen the lawnmower actually work, they're not too sure if it's going to work or not, they don't want to do it. Also, the robots can't do everything. The robots can only do around a third of what we do as landscapers. They can't they don't blow off the driveway, they don't clean out the flower beds, and so you still need a landscaper anyway. And so that's where our service arm comes in, where we're actually landscapers. They use the robots, so customers get the benefits of using the robots, but we also will clean out the flower beds, blow out the driveways, and do the things the robots can't, so you get the best of both worlds.
So what are the limitations of these robotic lawnmowers, as far as maybe the height of the lawn they could handle and the length and all that?
Yeah, I think, if you talk to Husqvarna or any of the companies, they're going to tell you, they can handle tall grass, no problem. But in the reality, again, since we've actually have experience using them, if the lawn hasn't been cut in like 2 weeks, it's probably going to be too long. Right. It could work, but it's just not going to do a very good job. It really works ideally whenever we do our installs, we cut the grass manually first, and then the robot comes and just keeps it at that height. Because the blades are so small that it can only take off a little bit at a time. So it really needs to be, the grass to already be short. Otherwise, it kind of just pushes the grass down in the front.
Interesting. Let's see. So